taking ballot papers. In trying to engage to establish who owns this house, who is in charge here, and so on. These people did not even want to listen to that. Some were in UPDF uniform, others were in plain clothes, pulled out guns, and they began to fire in the air. Said, anyway, let's leave this place and go to police. Because initially we went thinking, we just engage. Maybe it could even be a false alarm. False alarm. So let's go and tell police about this situation. As we left, they began to, the same guys, some in UPDF uniform, others in plain clothes, holding guns. They got rocks and hit our cars, broke some of the windscreens and all of that. Hit up people. SG was beaten up. It's a journalist called Stephen Kibika, who belongs to NTV. He was beaten up so badly, and his camera was taken away. He said, but if what you're doing here does not break the law, why are you beating up a journalist? Why are you taking his camera? Clear criminality. We know that this vote rigging is being orchestrated by Nabanja herself. She's the one planning all of this, and by the way, she's a resident of Kawempe. She has been trying to do reverse psychology, saying some of our leaders, Honorable Namuga, Honorable Mwanga Chifundi, that they are involved in ballot critiquing and so on, to play reverse psychology, because Nabanja knows that's what she's commandeering, that's what is happening within their camp. But good enough, we have fallen in their plan. We have landed on it to thwart. When we went to police, we met the DPC of Kawempe, Mr. Mwonge. He welcomed us nicely and so on. But Mr. Mwonge did not attend to our matter. We said, can we go with police so that you see the crime scene? Because what has happened there is criminality. He said, okay, let's see, maybe record statements first. He said, okay, can we record the statements? An hour elapsed. They didn't want to attend to us, even the OCC. And we said, can we record statements? Now wait for the DPC. The DPC had run away. We tried to look for him, we couldn't get him. Clearly showing that maybe DPC, Mr. Mwonge, even though he received us nicely, he knew about what was happening. That's why he didn't want to move quickly. We want to call upon the Electoral Commission to come clean on these happenings. Because your official, the EC spokesperson, Julius Muchunguzi, has been seen severally by neighbors within that area going to this house. Does this house belong to the Electoral Commission? Did the EC hire it? And for what activities? And if so, why did they not want to explain to us so that we know what's happening there, given that this is the candidate whom our party has fronted? What are you hiding exactly? We hope that the Electoral Commission will come clean on these matters. But for us, we're emboldened because the win of Kawempe North is in our hands. We're encouraging people, wake up early, go and cast your vote, protect your vote. Because the rigging plans that they had, we have managed to expose them and thwart them. Thank you.
We have received further information that there is another group in the Kyebando Central Zone and the house of Leader Sam Mugalu, where they are taking ballot papers. We appreciate the vigilance of Ugandans, especially in the Kawempe North constituency, who are giving us information every time they get to know about these wrongdoings. We encourage you to continue offering us that information. We shall not hesitate to let the world know about it. Basebo ne banyaba abalungi twongedde era okutegeezebwako nti waliwo n'ebifo ebirala gye bali mu kukola ebikolwa byebimu eby'okutiikinga bu ballot papers. So nno bwe twali mu Electoral Commission wano juzi twababuuza wa ballot papers ababbi b'obululu gye bazijja ng'ate tebatubuuliranga amatama ntengo. Kakati tumanyisibwako ebifo bingi gye batiikingira. SG waliwo n'ewalala gye mpulidde batutegeezezza nti ku Summit View Ekololo bwe bamaze okulaba nga wano abantu b'omu Kawempe North balaba nnyo amaaso moogi ne basalawo batandule ebigere bagende eyo ewalala ku Summit View nayo batiikinga, n'ewalala bayitayo Kyebando Central Zone. Waliwo amaka g'omwami omu bamuyita Bidda Sam Mugalu bali mu kutiikinga. Bannansi tubeebaza olw'okubanga mutuwa amawulire. Amawulire ago gajja kutuyamba nnyo ate buli lwe munaagatuwa tetujja kulekeraawo kubeera nga tugabuulirako abantu b'ensi. Ekirala ab'ebyokwerinda tusaba obbategeezaako naddala poliisi bwe tuleeta amawulire gye muli ne mutafaayo kukola birina kukolebwa, tujja kukunga bannansi babeere nga be batuyamba, kubanga be bakama bammwe. Bwe muba mulemereddwa okukola omulimu gwammwe, bakama bammwe era basobola nabo okwekolera. Kale watya singa twasoose ne tukunga bannakawempe North ne tugenda nabo mu maka ago gye batiikinga obululu, oba oliawo byali badde byanjawuloko, naye twalowoozezza nti tubeere bantu balamu, tugende mpola mpola twogere ne bannaffe. Bwe tusanze ebikyamu ne tubitegeeza poliisi, ate esazeewo okufuuka kyesirikidde. Tubategeeza nti mwalifuddeyo ensonga zino ne mubeera nga mwabasaale ku kukuuma emirembe, ku kukuuma demokrasiya. Naye bwe munaagaana nga tuyita bannansi nga babyekolerako. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.
Tufunye amawulire, erinnya lyange nze Aloysius Buyondo nga nkwasaganya nsonga za National Unity Platform mu luka bwaffe gw'Ekomamboga. Tufunye amawulire ku makya mu kifo kya Kanyanya Komamboga, okulinaana faamu, kifo bakiyita ku faamu, waliwo kyaki y'abalokole. Abakulembeze nga muli ne mmotoka z'aba RDCs bakedde ku makya kuyingiza ebintu byetususpectinze okubeera nti bululu mu kyaki eyo, era bagaddewo ne tulaba abantu nga bali omwo beetooloola balina bye bakola. Ne tubaagadde ku confronting olwa security yaffe olw'ensonga ebadde entono. Ekyokubiri, nfunye information mu kifo kya Komamboga Central Zone ewa Digida waliwo ebigenda mu maaso. Ekyokusatu, ku PDM office essaawa zino bavuga abakyala okubajja mu Busonda babakuŋŋaanyizaawo, bakozeseza PDM okuba nti as a mobilization tool bagulirira abantu babawa obusente, abakyala bonna babakuŋŋaanya. Essaawa zino piki zikola zisomba abantu. Tulabula bannakomamboga nti teweeteeka mu muzannyo guno kubanga tukulaba, era bannakawempe ne bannayuganda bajja kukolako nga bwe kyetaagisibwa. Twetaaga akalulu kano kabeere free and fair, tetwetaagamu muzannyo gwonna.